Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to reset Face ID on iPhone. So resetting Face ID on your iPhone is quick and easy. So let me walk you through the steps. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the settings app on your iPhone. Once you have opened it, simply scroll down and tap on Face ID and passcode. Now enter your passcode to proceed. Once you are in, scroll down and tap on Reset Face ID. And at the time I'm making this video, I have beta version installed on my iPhone. So the buttons are not applicable right now, but you can find the button right here in this section. So simply tap on that and this will delete all your current Face ID data. And once your old Face ID is deleted, you can simply tap on Set up Face ID to go through the process of setting up a new one. So simply set up a new Face ID, and once you're done with that, your old Face ID is reset and you are good to go. And that's it. Hope this video helped you out. If it did, then subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.